Alright. Today we're making corn and black beans. We already have the black beans pre-made, so now we're going to be starting on the corn. So first you're gonna add some oil and you're gonna let the oil heat up for a couple minutes and then you'll add your APs. Okay, now we're frying our APs. We just put them in the oil. They're frying at the moment. Alright, now that we're done frying the APs, we're gonna add our beans that we had pre-made here. We're gonna add them. Alright, now that after we've added the beans and the APs were done frying, you're gonna add coconut. You're gonna add your coconut milk. Alright. Then we're also gonna add about a cup of the black bean sauce. Alright, next we're adding a cup of water. Alright, so now that we've added everything into the mixture, now we'll add salt. Just like a handful of salt. Small itty bitty cube of chicken Maggi. And then add some pepper. You're gonna need a lot of pepper. You have like. Alright, then we're gonna add the butter. Alright, next we're gonna add some parsley flakes. Some basil leaves.
What?
And some basil leaves.
Okay.
Alright, now that we're waiting for our beans and stuff to boil, we're going to be washing the corn. You need to use cold water, no hot water. Okay. Alright. Then you're gonna drain it out. Try your best. Alright, after washing the corn 3 times, we're gonna be adding it to the beans that are now boiling.
Good.
Alright, so now that we've finished adding the corn, you need to add like a bit more water because corn takes like a longer time to cook than rice, and you also have to stir it quite frequently. Alright, now that the corn and black beans are ready,